People's trust over the decades has made Bajaj the world's #1 three-wheeler. Building on the foundation of that trust, Bajaj has launched a new electric technology, presenting Bajaj RE E-Tech. Its 4 unique features place it way ahead of all other electric three-wheelers. For example, its big battery. The 8.9 kWh lithium-ion battery assures you to travel long distances on a single charge. The onboard charger is connected to the internal battery, so there's no need to carry your charger everywhere. 2-speed automatic transmission gives you extra kilometer on road and better gradability. Ultra-modern motor reduces energy consumption in your vehicle and gives longer range. Now let's talk about some of its newer features. Like, let's see, Eco Mode, that gives you extra range, and Power Mode, that allows you to conquer all terrains. It has Hill Hold Assist, which gives you the ability to stop or start on any slope even without brakes. Let's move on. Bajaj RE E-Tech has regenerative braking that gives you extra range. Whether it's charge status or distance to empty, now you can get any information quite easily. Bigger tubeless radial tires guarantee a comfortable ride. Repairing them is trouble-free too. The new CV drive shaft offers long life and lowers maintenance cost considerably. The strong metallic body endures for years, always assuring greater safety for you. Charge anytime, anywhere with its RCD cable without worrying about short circuits. And you can keep the cable locked while charging, so now there's no chance of losing your RCD cables. The Mera Bajaj app makes it easy to locate nearby charging stations. There's more. Now you can get best-in-class standard warranty of 5 years or 1,20,000 kilometers, along with 24/7 roadside assistance. After all, it's the promise of Bajaj. Now you witness the new advanced technology of the new Bajaj RE.
तो बच्चों, ड्राइंग के होमवर्क का विषय होगा मेरे पापा।
अरे कोई चलेगा भाई?
ऐसी बारिश में?
अरे अस्पताल में बेटी पेट से है भाई, अभी पहुंचना जरूरी है।
चाचा हमसे तो नहीं। हाँ अगर होगा तो इसकी गाड़ी से होगा। क्या बोलते हो भाई? होगा तेरे से? ये भी फंसेगा कीचड़ में।
यूं ही नहीं नाम रख दिया बजाज मैक्सी माँ। माँ है, साथ निभाएगी। ताऊ जी चलिए बैठिए, चलिए।
कोशिश है तो कामयाबी है।
थोड़ी और कोशिश every single day. That's our mantra at Bajaj. And that's how Bajaj, founded by Kamal Nayan Bajaj in the 1940s, is today the world's largest three-wheeler manufacturer. Our research and development center, aptly called AHEAD. This is where our innovations like Qute are born.
As an environmentalist, the answer to pollution is the Qute. It's undoubtedly a global auto revolution.
These milestones inspire us to work extra hard for our stakeholders and our planet.
कोशिश है तो कामयाबी है। बूंद बूंद की बचत से सागर सी खुशहाली है।
With state-of-the-art facilities for three-wheelers in Waluj, Aurangabad, the latest automated processes translate into benchmark results, like our 5-port engines, 4-stroke DTSI technology engines, and hassle-free diesel engines. All Bajaj vehicles go through a number of quality checks to deliver the product that is ready to face any challenge in the real world. So when they go out across the globe, they're not just meant to carry passengers and load, but the hopes, dreams and future of its owners and their families.
एक पराठा ज्यादा क्या परोस दूं? कहते हैं इतनी लोडिंग के लिए मैं क्या मैक्सिमा कार्गो हूँ? और आपका ये जो टिट्टो है ना, ये तो उनकी नकल भी उतारने लगा है। लीजिए, बात कीजिए।
बजाज मैक्सिमा सी में तजुर्बा और ताकत ठूस ठूस के।
चल चल पढ़ाई करने बैठ। तो टीवी तो बंद कर।
जो कर रहा था मेरी नकल, उससे मिलेगी मार ठूस ठूस के। तुसी कितने जल्ले सोने हो?
मेरे पापा।
Remember, when our philosophy of outperforming ourselves every day endures, lasts, wins, we would continue to move people, their families, and the nation towards prosperity and progress.
Family, it's time to say